Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Adobe Acrobat Reader DC Logtransport2.Exe application error. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Select small icons. Click Programs and Features. Select Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, click Change. Click Next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.